Hey, what's going on, guys? One Purpose Fishing here. It is Christmas Eve. It is 6:10 a.m. and I'm about to do some bass fishing. About to go pick up my brother. It's his last day in town before he goes back to San Antonio, and then we're gonna go up behind the lake, fish on a dam, and hopefully catch some bass out there. It is extremely foggy out here. I can't see to the end of my block, so that's pretty neat. I've never bass fished in the fog. Pretty neat. I'm gonna go pick up some donuts and then go get my brother. So let's go.
Hello.
Hi. Do y'all have any white with sprinkles yet?
I don't have right now, but I have chocolate with sprinkles.
Okay, can I get chocolate with sprinkles and a glazed? And that'll be it.
135.
Awesome. There's 35 and 1.
Thank
Awesome.
you.
No problem. Thank you. You too. Thanks, Megs. Alright, so we just got out here. We're going to get out on the dam. I'm about to strap on the GoPro. Probably fishing with start off with a topwater bait and fish with a Senko. So that's what we're going for now. So let's head out. Starting out with the Bagley Knocker B for topwater. Oh yeah, brother just got one. Boat flipping. Just flip him up on the shore. Hurry up. Hurry up and get a hand on him, dude. He might break off. Dirt cast right there, dude.
A good pick.
Heck yeah, man.
This is going to be a great morning. I'm so glad we took the time to do this.
That's a fish, bro. Yes. That's a good one. Yeah, we'll weigh. We can weigh that one. We'll weigh that one, dude. Bro. Okay.
We got out here a little late.
No. Gotta start just. Is it? What? Stop that. Dude!
It works.
A little late out here. That's it. Let's get some. Preparing to catch a 10-pounder. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh man, dude, he's a tank. Oh, he's a tank. Oh, he's a tank. Oh, he's a toad. He's a toad. Okay, no, he's not as big as I thought he was.
It's so big, dude.
Yes.
I didn't get it on video. Cool.
It's alright, I did.
That's a nice one, dude. Almost as big as mine.
Almost. You wanna weigh and find out if he is?
No.
Why?
We know he's less than 2 pounds. About 2 pounds.
You don't know that though, for sure. 12.2 and 1.46.
Okay. My father-in-law is going to...
Alright, so we're out here and we're at the processing place picking up Josh's deer. We had a really good turnout this morning. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm seeing here. We got some good exotics up in here, man. Some good looking deer. Or, I mean, they're not deer, but then if you look inside there, there's an elk in there and something else. I don't know, but it's pretty cool animals right there. I would tell you the name of them, but I forgot the name of those animals. I've seen them before out on exotic ranches whenever I was out filming there, but I forgot the name of them. So my brother's in here picking up his deer, so I'm gonna go ahead and come in here with my brother. Oh, you already get it? You got it all? How much did you get? You get a lot? Oh, really, even now? Alright, so we finally made it back to the house, about half an hour late from when we were supposed to meet, but we made it back. So I think we're going to eat breakfast. Oh, camera's all the way up here. We're going to eat breakfast, and then we are going to open presents. My parents are divorced, so I get like 2 Christmases. Pretty legit. So yeah, eat and presents.
Okay, last night and
You're on YouTube now, Jess. That's going on there.
I do not give you permission to post my face on YouTube.
I do not give you permission to post my face on YouTube.
So get your turn and drink milk.
Can you not put me in your video?
I will sue
my
you
hair
for
is
every dime you do not upload. Because you're poor.
Can't post that.
Except I cut it off.
Let's smile and Uncle
It's all got some mail from the Nielsen family. I got $2 for free. Didn't even have to work for it.
Ryan can sit in that.
This one's for Mom. This one's for
That
Ryan.
This one's for me.
Okay.
Hold up, Jan's opening a present, Mom.
Yes! Thank you, John.
I did open it because all the brushes were crooked whenever I got it in the mail. So I adjusted them all so it looked straighter.
Watch Uncle John. Thank you.
Who picked this one out? I did. Did you? Yes. Don't lie to me.
So it's some type of magic trick or game.
Dude.
I couldn't find one.
Yes! I got a headlamp.
What is it?
300 loons.
God, is this the same one you have? Dude, this thing is so awesome. It's
Cool.
so bright.
Rechargeable.
All right.
Yes.
Does
I'm so happy with that.
Needed one of those real bad.
Mine was
I
terrible.
can?
Those are me and Janice.
Just don't zoom
Where's
out.
your
It's blurry.
Okay, there's your one.
Can I have it back?
No.
And it's Gigi's turn.
Who's this? Still moving to see
Jessica.
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 She got me a picture. Please tell me it's a picture. Yes.
Why does those
This is for G-Pa and G-Ma. Oh, dang it! Is this for G-Pa and G-Ma?
Yeah, but it's the same as the one I got for you.
Now you got
We'll take a car in 14 years. He thinks all his gifts to you are a car.
Cars. Well,
No. Yeah.
What is that? Let Jessica and Jessica.
Academy gift card.
you're just gonna keep walking.
I'll do that in a sec. Here you go.
I can't imagine that you know what this is. Oh my god, you guys. If I could pick anything, any DVD that I would ever want, it would be a DVD that has all of the Taurus Day movies on it because it's my favorites. Oh my god! What a surprise.
Daddy opened up a box.
A
What it is?
little backpack.
What's in a little backpack?
Dude, unzip it.
Like 4 cups, 4 sets of silverware, a cutting board, salt and pepper shaker. It's got a blanket. Very gently.
And you'll probably need John's knife.
Here. Mom.
Probably.
Alright guys, so what I got for Christmas was I got this 300 lumens headlamp. I got a $5 gift card to Starbucks, $10 gift card to Academy, some tungsten weights, and I also got, where's my phone? I got this the other day, but I got a Google Pixel 2. And I got Call of Duty Black Ops 2. So that is what I got for Christmas from my mom. Alright, well, that's all I got for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is part 1 of my Christmas Eve vlog. We caught 7 fish this morning. It was an awesome turnout. Had a lot of fun. Then went to Bront, picked up some stuff. Then I had Christmas with my mom. That's all I had for this first part. So you can just go ahead and click right there to subscribe, and I'll have part 2 up as soon as I can. Anyways, guys, I'm One Purpose Fishing, and thanks for watching.